I go first.
Hey everybody, this is Blue Angel Frog and we have a special treat for you today. This is Space Station Pluto. This is Mission 1 and we are going to open all these little containers and see what we get. We have
Angel the Bond!
And James the Bond here with us today. So let's get started and see what we get.
I'll go first.
Okay.
Let's do this. Nature Explorer Insect Badge. Got this closed. This is cool.
Take it out.
It looks like it sticks on your shirt.
That's cool.
The bug too.
The little ladybug has a magnet in it, so you put the little metal piece under your shirt.
So this is how it looked.
Show the inside. And there you go. Alright. James, it's your turn.
Oh, what are one of these little guys?
I want stick.
Okay, so looks like we got Legos. And these
Don't put it in there, Angelina.
And these are called minifigures. And we'll see what happens. Okay. So let's see. We hope we get the vampire. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, so we have...
Ooh, we got the little skeleton guy.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did. I mean the little ghost.
Ghost. So this guy looks really creepy.
I really want
This is the characters that you can get. And I think we got this little guy right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I really want the zombie cheerleader. Which one do you want, James?
None of these.
Mom?
I want the vampire girl. She's just too cute.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's...
Okay, there's our little friend. Here's his little chain. I can't get it to hold on, so we're just gonna put him right down here.
Don't forget the stand.
Oh. So we'll put that. There we go.
Which one are you gonna open?
Go ahead.
Oh, me?
Yeah,
I thought we were all three gonna open.
we are.
Oh, yes.
Mom opens that one.
I got another one.
Which one?
Or I
Go
got
ahead.
one. Ooh, feels big. Here's my tiny little scissors.
The little blue box.
What'd I get? What'd I get? Oh, we got the same.
Oh, wow.
Okay, well, we already know that's gonna be the same, so I'm gonna be
Yeah.
opening this one. Is that acceptable?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so there's a
Just
couple
leave 'em
prices of these, so let's see what we got.
There's one for each of you.
Okay, so there's one for each other, one for me.
Alright.
Now these are Walking Dead Vigor figures,
I know.
and I hope I get, let's see, here's everybody that we have.
You're not in the frame.
So here's everybody that we have. I want to get the toxin, the glow.
Take those guys out, please.
Okay. Ooh, I want that one. And then so you get that one, and Mom gets that one. Okay, so let's open these. So see what we got.
Wait a minute.
What, I can open these? So we're opening
Please
these.
open it on camera.
Okay, so we're opening it like this. Here's my first one. So let's put this baby open. Now these are really easy to open. Okay, so I want the glow zombie. Let's hope we got the glow zombie. Let's hope we got. Who do we got? Who do we got? Oh, they're blind bags.
You guys put on you guys put on the legs wrong. Because the legs are supposed to be like right here.
Sweet.
Okay, whatever.
We have Glenn.
He looks awesome.
There.
That's cool. He's really cool. So there we go. There's Glenn. He's gonna kill a little ghost. There we go.
Yeah.
Let's go. What'd you get? Let's see what Angela got. Let's see what Angela gets. You don't have to cut it open.
Angelina.
Alright, so we're looking for Daryl Dixon for her. She likes Daryl Dixon.
Yes, there.
There's an open spot.
I hope there.
There's an open spot.
Where?
I just, like, mine just fell out
It's at
somewhere.
the top.
It's at the top already. It's open.
Pull the tag. Oh.
Pull the tag.
No, this one's...
This one's close.
Wow. Okay. Daryl Dixon, Daryl Dixon, Daryl Dixon.
I got Walker.
Oh!
I got Herschel as a Walker. No. Yeah, you got right.
Yeah, he is the
Herschel
Walker.
as a Walker.
No, Herschel's a Walker.
I like this. That's one's leg.
I like that. I like the neck effects. I like the bites.
There ain't no bites.
Yeah, there's a bite on his neck.
His neck.
His neck's bleeding. Just like it.
I guess
so-
his head's supposed to come off.
We are supposed to have, we're gonna open the Forever Evil, and these are evil superheroes.
DC Comics.
So here's all this.
He's gonna lay down.
Oh, this is from Batman Day, DC Comics. That was supposed to be the site we were supposed to look. So let's see what we got. Wait, hold on. Let's pop this open. There we go. Okay, Batman. Oh,
You get 3 in each one.
you have Batman. That's cool. You have Green Lantern. Cool. And you even have Hawkeye. That's awesome.
I'm opening my mini.
Hold on, let's see what I think I got this all wrong. Oh, this is Owlman. This is Owlman. Sorry. Green Lantern. Oh no. Power Ring. And this one is Merlin. So these aren't like the normal superheroes.
I'm opening mine.
These are all bad guy type.
Sorry.
We got the same one, right?
We got the gargoyle.
Cool.
Oh, you lost his head.
Gargoyle
Okay,
kind
so
of
did you get your package, Mama?
It's right
Oh no.
there.
That's yours?
Just,
his head. Put on his little horns. Sure.
you're not in frame, Angelina.
Sorry.
You're
Here's our little gargoyle guy.
Okay.
Put him on the stand.
Please be the gargoyle. Please be the gargoyle.
My gargoyle. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. See? We get
Because
mixed.
I got them right next to each other.
Okay, so I will be opening next. That big tube.
That one's mine.
There it is?
Yep.
I want to open it though.
Go ahead.
That the big tube?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got heroes.
Pull the little guys out from the back, too.
Okay, so it looks like we got Yoda and Chewie. Cute. Oh, Jesus. Alright, so I'm gonna open this.
Do you concentrate? Feel the force flow.
Die! So we're opening heroes and versus villains. Ooh, Elsa versus automatic open.
Open.
Okay, so I want to get Elsa versus the snow monster.
You only get one, so you either get Alpha or you get...
So let's pop it.
It's Marshmallow Pop. James, don't pop it.
I'm trying to get this part right here because I feel it. It just popped.
There's our other little gargoyle friend.
Okay. Please be the monster. Please be the monster. No, it isn't. It's
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
where Jasmine.
Oh, don't put it so close.
Don't come to me anymore, you meanie.
Okay, Angelina.
My turn. I'm gonna open this My Little
Jasmine
Pony way
looks
up here.
ugly.
One kill from...
One of these?
no, the big one.
It has Skittles. Oh no, I thought it was
This
Skittles.
is minifigures.
On the bottom.
I got it.
Hey,
I got it.
James, leave it alone.
I get the other one. Wow, that sounded hard.
Jump it.
A fashions My Little Pony. What are you wishing for, James?
My Little Pony, Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash, Mom?
Oh, wait, I'm opening it?
No, I
No, it's
It's like,
What
what?
are you wishing for, Mom?
just open.
Let's open the My Little Pony first.
How do I get here?
I do not know, Yoda.
Judge me by my size. Do you
No, I do not judge by your size.
concentrate?
Ready, set.
The force flow.
I'm opening for. I've got this one. But she's different. She's got
Squish
some-
her. Squish. She's not squishy.
Well, she's not as squishy as some of the other ones.
I hear you.
Okay, next. We have an evil dog. What a big cold slow pillow.
Time
Hello, when home to take a nap.
to the minifigures.
Okay, hold on. Before you do that, look, show the. Oh, they don't have the things.
You guys.
Oh, look, it has an afro. Afro
Yes.
circus. Afro circus.
These are who we can get.
Oh, let's see. Afro. She got the weird. She got the weird guy dancing. And she has something coming for you here. What the hell is this?
Those skates.
Oh, that's what they are. Okay, I'm gonna open something while
Yeah.
we put that together.
No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open
I'm gonna
this.
show them in the checklist.
Oh, we got some.
These are the
We
checklist.
got another one.
I'm trying to show them the checklist. This is the checklist. So we got this one.
Oh my gosh, no way. She got the one I wanted. Okay. So, we now have
You got both of them?
minifigures, and we have the new Superman Marvel Avengers Assemble. I'm gonna open this thing first. Oh, it's
So-
already opened. That sucks.
No, it's not.
It's taped open.
So this is my person.
Well, if you push the bottoms come off.
Did it?
This is my person. She has little roller skates that
sweet.
should go. Yee!
Hate to say this, but that's a guy. Where's his little platform?
Platform? There was no platform.
Okay.
Yes, we got Hulk Smash. Hulk Smash.
Too close.
That's cool. Now we're gonna open ourselves. And it says collect and win something. So that's cool.
That's a series before.
Oh look, it says scissors cut right there. Okay, so I'm not gonna spell them like Angelina did.
You didn't even get it open.
Yes, I did somehow. There we go. Okay. Let's open. Please don't be Afro. Please don't be Afro. I hate that Afro. Oh. Oh. Wait.
You
Fire
got
guy.
the devil.
I got the devil because I am the devil. See, the devil's awesome. No, he's not. He's sinner. Wait, he has a lightsaber. Wow, he has a lightsaber.
Yeah.
I don't think this is the devil. Leave my stuff alone. Leave him. Supposed to be a stand for her, Angelina. We still got a lot more. Well,
Marty.
hold on, Angelina, have to show mine. First, I'm almost done, anyways.
I'm opening the Minecraft.
You shall not pass. Okay, that's cool. I hate him. He's creepy too. Okay, I don't think I know what
Minecraft's won't open, so I'm just ripping it.
But is this the second edition? We have all of them, huh? No, we don't have all of them. It's gonna be Steve.
No.
Mushroom.
Mushroom. I'm
We
gonna
have
open
him,
this
right?
one. I'm gonna open this one. No, we
I think
don't.
that one's empty. Oh, no, it's not.
We got the plushes. Let's open this. I can't wait till this comes.
The tab's right here.
It is.
What else can you get
Oh,
open?
there it is. Hold on. Wait until I stop. Stop trying to rush.
No.
Evil Batman.
Batman.
We always hate that. We always keep Batman. Why?
I don't know.
It's like Batman, like the only guy that's alive in this world. Why is he holding open his wings?
Because he's supposed to be flying.
What is it? Oh, they're supposed to be connected too. They
you
have like a
can
little
connect
connector.
a bunch of them together.
I'm
Well, show
coming
him,
to,
James.
I'm coming to get you. Da-da-da-da. That's cool. He's really cool. Okay.
My Little Pony. Oh my god. Inside collects the pony cards. It's a collection. Friendship is magic. These are all that you could get. I hate it when they don't have tear strips.
That one's empty. All we have is what's left in them.
Containers.
Oh my. Oh.
Now who's that?
Snail Squirm. It says, is the funny, loving best friend. And Snipping Snap. He has glitter on him.
On him?
Yeah, it's him.
Okay, so I'm gonna be opening a house pets. Oh, we got a horse. We got a horse.
Okay.
Got a horse.
There's a few horses. Here's your
We
piece.
got the weird horse. This is
Let's say who's pet.
Pitties. I don't know whose pet that is, but it's creepy. I'm Pitties.
My
I'm
turn.
gonna smell my Pitties.
There's 2 Care Bears left.
We're having a crash. Susan, we have a problem.
Yes, now we have a problem.
I'm opening Pop Pets.
I'm opening Care Bears. Collectible figures.
We have Pocahontas' cat, and her name is Lily.
Oh,
Sherbert.
No,
Share Bear.
it's purple.
it's Share Bear.
We have Share Bear.
I'm opening mine. The other camera.
I'm done. I'm out of here. See you guys later. Bye.
Ow.
Is that all of them, Mama?
No.
Yes.
Wait. I see something.
That's hers.
What, the thing behind that?
That's hers.
You
You got those 2.
No, I already have him, and I already have
Good
him.
luck, Bear.
I already have him.
So, let's see what's behind. Closing my eyes.
Shotgun.
Apple Blossom. Is that right? Apple Blossom?
Yeah.
Apple Blossom? This is Apple Blossom. So squishy. Squishy. She's gonna close out the video.
Okay, let's get these guys kind of set up so that we can see everything that we got.
Billy, stand up.
Let's put them on a board.
The tail actually can move. So can the heads. But if I move the head, it would be like that and the tail would be like right here.
There.
Mushroom! Disco time.
Batman.
Mushrooms. Oh my god, stop being heavy.
Care Bears.
Oh, My Little Pony.
And the ladybug.
Now, Apple Blossom, finish out this video.
Wait.
Apple Blossom. Apple Blossom wants to give you guys something. Flower. I didn't know she had a worm on top. Can Apple Blossom finish out the thing?
Angelina.
What?
Stop.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, guys. So there's our final of everything that they got. And I think that's going to do for us.
Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you guys want some more of these videos, leave it in the comment section below.
And we thank you guys for watching.
Goodbye!